one's a little lower now, but we were pretty happy to see that the bees are out doing their thing. So we thought we'd come out and give them some honey. We got some honey from the other hives that didn't make it, so we just pulled some frames out, threw it down. I'm hoping they got to it a little bit. It's not very warm, it's like 5 Celsius, so 45 Fahrenheit, maybe 40 even, something like that. So they're out doing their bee thing right now. Pretty much just pooping all over the place and dying in the snow, unfortunately. These 2 hives are alive, and then this hive over here is actually dead, and I should really get to removing it probably pretty soon, or else what's likely going to happen is that they're going to start robbing from it, and it just could create a whole bunch of mess in here. This hive, as you guys have seen, is dead. So that was the flow hive, but that's fine. We've got a few hives left, so I'm gonna try to make them work. Let's go look at, go check our other hives here. So it's our mass of dead bees from the winter, just dumping the bees, well, when we did it. And then there's these 2 hives. They're just inside that hole. Oh, yeah, there's one right there. I can't grip that hive very well. I'll show you this one. Pooping all over it though. Yeah. The smallest ball of them all seems to be a foster hive right here. Still alive, but the cluster is pretty small. Hopefully, if we're out of the really cold nights and everything, that'll be okay. But anyways, just thought I'd come show some of the fun at Bzzzant Honey right now. Something to mention is this spring we're going to be moving all of the hives. We could leave one here eventually, but just initially especially, we're going to take all the hives. So all the splitting, everything, a lot of that's going to be done at a different location now. This being our yard, we're going to claim back a little bit of our yard from the bees. I have a spot that's not very far away, that it's a farm to table. A friend of mine is buying the property and is going to be running the farm to table off of that piece of property. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and have a little apiary off the side of that. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have to put down bee bars and build up a little apiary, and then I've asked for only just a small little plot to put things on, but he essentially asked if I just needed more room for more hives as we expand, which I said would be fantastic. So I mean, hopefully it's a nice little plot. There's trees around apparently, so it could be a nice spot for us. So anyways, you'll have to stay tuned for that. That'll be coming in the next couple months. Anyways, thanks for sticking around.